packing box, clamp meter, watch pen, temperature line, manual, battery installation. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. DC current. Switch to the corresponding gear and clamp the single strand with the pliers. AC current. Switch to the corresponding gear and clamp the single strand with the pliers. NCV induction, high definition display screen, flashlight lighting, not afraid of dark environment. When a nearby power source is sensed, a beep will sound. Zero fire wire recognition. It makes a beep and turns on the red light as the fire line, and the silent sound is the zero line. DC voltage. Automatically identify the voltage gear, and the watch pen can contact the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. AC voltage. As shown in the video, measure the AC voltage while measuring hertz. There will be a slight delay in measurement, which does not affect the accuracy of the values. Resistance. Automatically identify the resistance here, and the pen can contact both ends of the resistance. Buzzer. Automatically identify the buzzer gear, make a beep sound and turn on the red light as normal. Diodes. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen corresponds to both ends of the diode. Capacitance. A short circuit discharge is required before the test. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the capacitor. MVDC voltage. The pen crosses to clear the value. Switch to the corresponding gear and operate as shown in the video. Temperature. Switch to the corresponding gear and contact the measured object with the thermocouple.